is the session overview, where in this maybe 60 minutes, we'll explore what is the Python workflows required to create an artificial intelligence system or machine learning system. So you need to understand what are the best things. So in this demo session, we just cover few points on what exactly required for this particular machine learning and AI things, and including we have a different type of tools where in Python we have that Python essentials for AI. For example, coming to this particular point, so we have to understand Pandas, NumPy, object-oriented principles, and API integrations. So Pandas and NumPy are the basics, and every program, for example, if you go with C, C++, Java, .NET, anything, object-oriented programming is necessary. So these object-oriented programming principles are required, and then we'll go with Pandas, NumPy, and anyone knows about API in the team, in the current joining people? Have you work with API, or you know how API works and what is API? No? Okay. So API is nothing but it's an application interface where it act like a bridge between the data and the front end. So we will create some APIs, and the open AI. So everyone is now talking about ChatGPT and other things. So that is developed by OpenAI. So that OpenAI is having their own API, where the API will be used, and that API can be integrated into any kind of system. If you are developed in one GPT model, so you can also buy that API from the OpenAI and integrate into your system. So that is one strategy what we are doing in Python Essentials. And coming to machine learning, we can have the Scikit-learn, and that is for a different kind of predicting the models. So for the predicting the models, you have to come with the data, where you have to take the data sets, and you have to pre-process the data, and you have to then you have to understand what kind of algorithms you have to apply. So that thing you can do with in Scikit-learn. And also I have a few different softwares called Orange and Vika. I will show you at the end of the session. So those two are the tools that nobody else in the outside the organizations will work on. So that's a low code, no code environments. That's for better understanding. So how you people able to achieve the same kind of techniques using low code, no code environment. So first of all, you can see how it is responding, and then you can apply the same in the Scikit-learn. So that's a different story on machine learning. And deep learning with TensorFlow, where we can talk about neural networks. And yeah, we have the separate slides for everything. So we'll come to that neural network part in the next slides maybe. And generative AI, we can talk about LLMs, chatbots, and real world use cases. So how the real world use cases are working for in the generative AI. We can also talk about GPT and other things. So overall outcome of this entire course would be like you have to understand the Python skills to apply intelligent AI systems. That intelligent AI systems can resolve the real world problems, statements, or scenarios, whatever you call it.